In this video we are going to talk about the non-fungible tokens, NFTs. So before starting this video, like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for future updates. NFTs, non-fungible tokens, are digital assets that can be used to prove ownership of a store of value. This could be something intangible, such as a virtual drawing, or something concrete, like real estate or great art. NFTs are similar to existing digital currencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Dogecoin in many aspects. Because NFTs are represented as digital assets and operate on top of a blockchain network, this is the case. This makes it possible to send NFTs from one wallet to another in a quick, secure, and low-cost manner. NFTs are transparently verifiable because they are built on top of a blockchain network. NFTs, on the other hand, are distinguished from the aforementioned digital currencies by the fact that each token is identified by a unique transaction hash. In plain English, this indicates that no two NFTs are alike. As a result, NFTs are suitable for storing value in the actual world. Cryptocurrencies, on the other hand, such as Bitcoin, are fungible, which means that if you swap one BTC for another, nothing much changes. To put it another way, you still have one BTC in your wallet. Non-fungible tokens, on the other hand, have no association with any other circulating digital assets, which is why they're called that. Importantly, if you're considering purchasing NFTs for yourself, you should first gain a thorough understanding of how this niche blockchain market operates before putting any money at risk. A blockchain protocol is used to host all of the best NFT tokens. Many NFT designers choose the Ethereum blockchain to date, owing to the fact that it supports ERC-721 coins. In a nutshell, because each ERC-721 token is distinct from the next, this subset of the Ethereum blockchain is excellent for NFTs. However, several other blockchain networks, such as the Binance Smart Chain, have recently begun to enable NFTs. Many say that the latter is better for buying and selling the best NFTs tokens, owing to the hefty transaction fees associated with Ethereum. When looking for the best NFT tokens to buy, the term minting will come up frequently. Minting, in its most basic form, is the process of producing a new NFT token that does not yet extant. This means that when you acquire NFT tokens, you're buying a digital asset that someone else has already generated. Importantly, if you have a one-of-a-kind item that you'd like to symbolize with a one-of-a-kind crypto asset, NFT minting is well worth investigating further. You may have conducted a remarkable study on your own and want to keep your findings private. Minting an NFT on top of a blockchain network like Ethereum or the Binance Smart Chain is a simple way to do this. Your NFT certifies beyond a reasonable doubt that you are the rightful owner of the study in this way. And, once your NFT is minted, which can take as little as minutes, it can be exchanged on the open market. You may even mint the NFT token and get royalties from each sale generated by third parties. Standard cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum can be split into smaller units, ensuring that you don't have to buy the entire token to participate in the market. For example, if Bitcoin is priced at $30,000 per token and you invest $300, you will own 1% of 1 BTC. Many people are now unaware that NFTs can also be used to break digital tokens into small units. In reality, it permits numerous people to possess something valuable, which is one of its best features. The most intriguing part of the NFT marketplace is real estate, which encompasses both physical and virtual property. Starting with the former, physical real estate is an excellent example of an asset that an NFT token can represent. After all, no two properties are alike, making each home or condo a one-of-a-kind piece of real estate. Sporting moments is another rapidly expanding segment of the NFT business. This means that big sporting brands, such as the NBA and the ATP, are now selling ownership of critical in-game video snippets. The $100,000 raised by NBA star Zion Williamson for a video of him blocking a shot is an example of one of the top NFT tokens in terms of value. The notion here is that the value of these sports moment NFTs will continue to climb over time. Many athletes, sports personalities, and other celebrities have backed NFT collections of many kinds. One of the key reasons why more individuals are interested in purchasing NFT tokens is that they can be used as a store of value. As previously stated, minting an NFT token to represent something of value, such as a sporting event or a piece of land, is now a simple operation. In principle, the NFT you mint or purchase will be worth whatever people are willing to pay for it when you decide to cash out. Individual sales of CryptoPunks NFT series are currently in the millions of dollars. Those that purchase a CryptoPunk do so with the expectation that it will increase in value in the future. Content providers such as painters, writers, and musicians frequently have to sell their works through third parties. This usually entails handing over a big portion of potential future royalties and sales. A popular YouTube musician, for example, may earn a significant amount of money each month from advertising revenue. However, YouTube will take a hefty cut, which typically outweighs the amount paid to the content originator. This is where the best NFT tokens come into play, not least because content creators no longer need to sell their work through third-party platforms. Ownership of each music, video, or painting, on the other hand, can now be represented by a unique NFT. It goes without saying that a large number of people choose to invest in NFT coins. This entails paying a considerably lower price today than the buyer believes the NFT will be worth in the future. Although this may appear to be an absurdly large sum to invest in virtual real estate, the buyer has already erected virtual mansions on each island, with 90% of them selling out in one day for $15,000 each. Furthermore, several of these virtual mansions have been relisted for sale at prices exceeding $100,000. Although projections of the potential total value of the NFT market vary widely depending on the source, we may look at how much money has changed hands in recent years to get a better idea. Yuga Labs bought CryptoPunks and Meebits NFTs on March 12, 2022, and assumed leadership of both projects. By floor price and floor cap, Bake, Punks, and Meebits are now the number 1, number 2, and number 6 most valued NFTs, respectively. There are already a number of startups that will let you borrow money in exchange for your NFT token as collateral. This works in the same way as traditional secured loans, in which the borrower puts up a set amount of money to secure the financing deal. In the case of crypto loans, however, because the borrower is putting up an NFT with real-world value, the lending arrangement will be authorized almost instantaneously, and no credit checks will be required. After all, if the borrower defaults on the loan, the crypto lending platform may simply sell the NFT to recoup their losses. The phrases non-fungible token, NFT, and cryptocurrency are frequently used interchangeably. After all, both occurrences are digitally represented and built and saved via the blockchain technology. Crypto assets, on the other hand, are virtual currency in the vast majority of circumstances, which means they can be used as a medium of exchange. This brings us back to the topic of fungible tokens such as Dogecoin. That is, if you buy $100 worth of Dogecoin from two separate brokers, the two sets of tokens you receive are identical. This is because the current market value of two individual Dogecoin tokens will always be the same. When buying NFT tokens online, you'll almost always have to pay with Bitcoin. If your selected NFT was constructed on the Ethereum blockchain, for example, fees will almost certainly have to be paid in ETH tokens. Furthermore, most NFT marketplaces accept payment via a wallet connection. What do you think about this video? Do let us know down in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from us again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go.